nowadays will show you the Beat 7 innovation patterns in Prosper. The utilize of unused innovation daily has expanded the way each business works and makes individuals decide on something that gives convenient advancements based on the innovation. With numerous modern technology trends developing day by day, companies require to stay upgraded with their innovation needs to meet client requests effectively. Technology has moreover made its way into using avatars, indeed the decentralized internet framework. Artificial intelligence trends in 2023. Number 1. Artificial intelligence. Indeed, in spite of the fact that artificial intelligence or AI has created a lot of buzz over the past 10 a long time, it is still one of the most up-to-date technological trends, since its impacts on how we live, work and play are starting to be felt. Versatile AI frameworks point to continuously retrain models and learn within runtime and development environments based on unused information to adapt quickly to changes in genuine world circumstances that were not anticipated or available amid beginning improvement. The largest companies as of now utilize artificial intelligence innovation to predict demand and give clients with relevant information. Its advancement started approximately a decade prior, and there are contentions on whether ACE can supplant humans. AI is well known for its prevalence in many areas, counting ride-sharing apps, smartphone individual help, picture and speech acknowledgement route apps, and more. Other AI instruments incorporate customer corrector and generator devices. Data has SETI fears artificial intelligence may one day outsmart humans and imperil us, citing AI as the biggest danger to civilization. The AI market will develop to a $190 billion industry by 2025, with global spending on cognitive and AI systems reaching over $57 billion in 2023. Number 2. Automated handle automation. RPA. Mechanical handle computerization is a technology that mechanizes eye and machine learning occupations. RPA, like eye and machine learning, may be a quickly improving technology that computerizes numerous employments in various areas, agreeing to McKinsey be done by machines, but approximately 60% of employments can be done in some way. Automated handle robotization. RPA. Data collecting and examination, customer support and other manual tasks using an assortment of program and applications. RPA makes various new career openings for programmers, project supervisors, trade examiners and consultants. It moreover gives you get to well-paying occupations at leading organizations with a great learning curve. Can diminish costs, streamline processing, and drive way better client experiences. Another fascination of RPA computer program is that business units can actualize it without having to memorize unused instruments or ask it groups for bolster, and without changing an organization's basic infrastructure. Number 3. 3D printing. The utilize of 3D printing to create prototypes are a noteworthy slant in innovation and innovation. The effect of this has been felt within the mechanical and biomedical areas. 3D printing is an industry promising everything from cheap house building as well reasonable rugged armor, but one of the foremost interesting uses of the innovation are the building of 3D printed bones. Ossiform specializes in restorative 3D printing, creating different bones from tricalcium phosphate, a material with similar properties to human bones. In this manner, 3D printing may be a further innovation that a healing center can perform an MRI, which is then sent to Ossiform to make a 3D model of the patient's specific implant needed. The surgeon acknowledges the design, and at that point, once it is printed, it can be used in surgery. Number 4. Blockchain. A blockchain may be a secure put where you can safely store information in any form. This super secure strategy of storing, authenticating and ensuring information could revolutionize numerous angles of the business, especially when it comes to facilitating trusted transactions. It is comparable to the stores in a bank account, where the stores never get lost or stolen when put interior. The blockchain Information put away in such a chain cannot be changed or erased. Blockchain technology is as of now broadly utilized in many businesses this 2022, from supply chain administration to electoral processes. This will proceed to assist move forward the safety and straightforwardness of numerous procedures. A blockchain collects information together in bunches known as pieces that hold sets of information. Blocks have certain capacities, and when filled are closed and connected to the already served piece, shaping a chain of information known as the blockchain. Blockchains are too consensus-driven, meaning no one organized and is controlled the information it eliminates. The require for a dependable third party to supervise or confirm transactions. The thought of a organize of smart devices was first talked about in 1982 with a modified Coca-Cola distributing machine at Carnegie Mellon College, getting to be the first web-associated appliance a growing number of gadgets can interface to the web, and we call this the Internet of Things. Thanks to the appearance of inexpensive computer chips and tall bandwidth telecommunication, we presently have billions of devices associated to the Internet. This implies ordinary gadgets like toothbrushes, vacuums, cars, and machines. Internet of Things can utilize sensors to gather information and respond intellectuals to clients. The development of sensors and the think about of the Web of Things will affect numerous segments, from fabricating to healthcare. Computer engineers have added sensors and processors to everyday objects since the 90s. In any case, progress was at first moderate since the chips were enormous and bulky. Control computer chips called RFID labels were to begin with used. As computing gadgets shrank, these chips also got to be littler, quicker, and smarter. Over time, Web of Things portrays a worldwide framework of interconnected computing devices without any mediation from a human. The networks gadgets can exchange information, accumulates information, and transmit it to another area. Over 50 billion devices will be connected by means of the Internet of Things by 2030. More than $1.1 trillion will be gone through on this technology worldwide, in spite of the fact that the Web of Things Rise of super apps. A super app combines the highlights of an app, a platform, and a biological system in one application. It not as it were having its claims set of functionalities, but it moreover provides a stage for third parties to develop and distribute their claim scaled down apps on. It is worth saying that nowadays the implementation of super apps in China is becoming increasingly broad, but the patterns easily cross the borders, spreading worldwide, even in spite of the fact that amazing apps are not as general as conventional mobile applications. A few unmistakable cases can give you a taste of how such solutions work and their potential. Tencent, the massive Chinese tech combination, and WeChat app, at first an informing app, and morphed its furthermore client app into a biological system of administrations that includes taxi rides, installments or virtual wallets, hotel reservations, recreations, medical consultations, and more. Whereas super apps have huge income upside potential in the end, like any other apps, they'll earn their gathering of people based on some fundamentals of great software development and testing. In spite of the fact that most examples of super apps are portable apps, the concept can moreover be connected to desktop client applications such as Microsoft Groups and Slack, with the key being that a super app can consolidate and supplant numerous apps for customer or work or utilize. Number 7. 5D technology. This innovation will empower your smartphone to get quicker, stronger signals and much lower inactivity than ever. 5D tech has as of now been sent in many nations around the world where mobile networks are much speedier than those on 4D technology. Beyond speed advancement, the technology is anticipated to unleash a gigantic 5G IoT ecosystem where systems can serve communication needs for billions of connected gadgets with the right trade-offs between speed, idleness, and cost. 5G speed tops out at 10 gigabits per second. Isn't it astounding? The normal reaction time for people to a visual jolt is 250 milliseconds or 1/4 of a second. People are capped at around 190 to 200 milliseconds with appropriate training. Imagine presently that your car seems react 250 times speedier than you. It has been predicted that by the conclusion of 2025-60 of ventures will be using 5 or more remote technologies simultaneously, since it extends the mobile range to have lower and higher frequencies. 5G systems can handle a significantly higher transmission capacity. 5G powered independent vehicles will be very futuristic and increment street safety. According to Digi.com, the next generation of associated cars will do much more over time. 5D advances will improve and adjust to the wants of a changing society.